I don't know how many of you guys have this problem. I have a problem with eating vegetables because it doesn't taste like other food. And I used to eat meat-based curries and rice. Obviously, my health is in jeopardy. Then I found a solution. I start adding an ancient mix to my vegetables. Today I am going to share with you a side dish that made me consume more vegetables in my diet. Guys, I am Robin Rocky from Nova Scotia, Canada. Let's rock this. I am using the vegetables widely available everywhere. 150 grams of carrot, 150 grams of broccoli, 150 grams of cauliflower, 100 grams of green beans, 100 grams of potatoes, 60 grams of broccoli stem. This veggies is my choice, but you can use any of your favorite veggies. First, put some water to boil. Then let's prepare the ancient masala mix. In a grinder jar, combine half cup grated coconut, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of ground turmeric, and a green chili. If you cannot handle the heat, you can ignore the green chili. Coarsely grind them together. This masala mix gives unique flavor to these veggies. Now the water is start boiling. Place the steamer on the top of the pot. I am steaming these vegetables. This way we can preserve nutrients, texture and flavor. First add carrots, potatoes, cauliflower and broccoli stem. Steam them for 4 minutes or until it's half done. Then add broccoli and green beans and steam them for another 3 minutes. And make sure the vegetables are tender. Now place another pot on the stove top and add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then add the steamed vegetables. Give it a good stir. The masala mix we prepared earlier. Give it a good stir. And add a sprig of curry leaves. Add some salt to the taste. Give it a good stir. Delicious and healthy vegetables are ready to serve. It is a well-balanced side dish, pairs perfectly with any main dishes. If you are a vegan, you can have this with rice, but I love this with my steak, a complete meal. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button below. That will encourage me to create more stuff like this for you. Thank you for subscribing my channel and don't forget to enable the bell icon for notification from me. Have a happy and healthy cooking.